Hey, what's going on, guys? Spin Waffle here, and we are back with a Minecraft, but it's a Let's Play series for Minecraft. So yeah, I've started on the foundations of building the house already, so it's my basic looking house. Actually, I already recorded one earlier, it's just that my screen recorded crashed, so it only became on audio and not on the full thing. So that was a bit pretty unlucky on my side. Here's my room for now, I guess. I'm just gonna expand my room a little bit. This is causing a little trouble here. Okay, have to go mining somewhere. I'm probably gonna, hold here. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna put an apple then, that I need one. Okay, need a pickaxe, and take all this. And here we go. Let's mine some stuff. There you go, okay. Suitable ground level. See, we'll find iron, shall we? Probably not at this ground level, but probably slightly further below. Right now I'm just wanting to mine stones and stuff. If we could find an abandoned mine shaft, that would be pretty cool, but I'm not sure if we can find one on those seeds that you do on random. That's not very great, is it? Nah, I don't know what I'm saying, and I don't care. So guys, if you have any other suggestions on what games I should play, just type them down right in the comments below, and I'll see it like Clash of Clans or FIFA 14 or anything else. I don't really mind. Just give me your suggestions and I'll do it. It doesn't. I'm fine with it. I'll just do anything that makes my viewers happy, and also if it makes me happy as well, of course. So okay, we'll need a little more light here. I don't know why I was using the circle. Oh crap. I screwed up. Why is it getting dark so fast? Anyway, time to return to my home. Home sweet home that hasn't even been fully built. And let's go to bed. Alright, good morning. And now we're going back to the mines immediately. Here we go. Sort of like a mine, I'm not really sure. No, I'm not gonna mine that. Okay. Let's see if we can strike rich on iron today. And I'm not sure what that is. I think it's granite. I'm not really sure. I just know that I don't need it. That's all. And I'm going further into the caves. We need to find coal as well. If we don't have coal, then we can't do anything. And we won't have a light source or any source of light. And my pickaxe is gonna break. There we go. Ooh, a little dark here. Okay, where's my crafting bench? More sticks there. That. There we go. Yep, this is about right. I'm gonna have to line up for a light pole. Yeah. I'm gonna dig down for a light pole. light somewhere around here. There we go. Okay, there's a light hole now. Oh, it's probably one of my best mining ideas I've ever had. And apparently we aren't gonna find any iron in this cave. Not really a cave, a mining hole. It doesn't know, we just need loads of cobble. I never strike diamond, but then I can't mine it because I have nothing to mine diamond whatever with. So that'll be pretty bad luck on my side. Anyway, there's nothing to do around here anymore. Let's get out of here. Come on, crafting bench, you're coming with me. And we're gonna go need more places to chop some stuff. Crafting tools here. Let's make a chest. A large chest instead. There we go. Okay. Putting that random cactus, the seeds, plants, these stuff, lily pads, apples, which I don't need now. Stupid brave frontier, not now. We can make a furnace. And a stone cutter. Stone cutter, put it on top there, okay. Time to chop some trees again. I better get to the grass now. I'm gonna get something out. Go. Plant some trees. Okay, so one tree over here, another tree over here, a tree over there. I don't know where I'm gonna put this one. Right here, right here, right here, right here. And yeah, whatever. That's enough. Okay, so yeah, guys, if you are interested in seeing more of my Let's Play Survival on Minecraft Pocket Edition, then just leave behind 5 likes. I'll be more than happy to continue this series if you guys want it. I don't know what I said. That was terrible English. Bye cow. Bye cow. There are so many pink sheep. They just look pigs, but they just aren't. So continue mining this, shall we? And done. This is gonna be done as well. I can't reach that. Stupid cow. Yeah, more tree. Wow, there's even a tree in the water. Did you guys just see that? Tree in the water. A tree in the water. Can I actually plant trees in the water? Nope, we can't. And apparently that tree's really great. I don't know, it's just what? Oh, there's an apple up there. Let's just go grab the apple. Thank you. Okay, that's enough. Wait, plant more trees here and there. Okay, there we go. That's enough trees around this area. Let's go back to the home. Okay, let's just slide. Oh, it's just today we got. Alright, that's a good amount of wood we got. So let's complete the house while we still I can. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some dirt since it's so easy to destroy. Let's go up here. There we go. We're gonna start building the finish of the first level of the house. Shit. And I'm probably gonna build a second level as well to make it look nice. That's my alarm clock for 3 o'clock, but I don't care if it's ringing or not. It's gonna be nighttime soon. Again, that's quite fast. Okay. My house is gonna be pretty dark especially in the morning, so I gotta watch out. And yeah, I got a good idea now. Let's build this house like that. Okay, wait, okay, I think this is about it for my... No, not it. It's not. Definitely not. Okay. Sleep already, jeez. Okay, there we go. And good morning, world, and we are gonna craft something. Change it to sticks. Where's the sticks? There we go. Is this enough? I'm not really sure if this is enough. I hope it is enough. Shit, that was bad. Oh, that's 12 of them. That's more than enough. Shit, wow, my placement is terrible. There we go. So, support stand for the shelter. Looking great now. And smash their way up there so we can start building there again. Yeah, okay, this is not too bad. Oops, no, I'm not gonna bother about that. I'm probably gonna stop it like right here, guys. So if you like to see more of my Let's Play Survival, then just 5 likes will do the trick, and I'll continue this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Till then, see you next time.